Are you looking for wall-mounted wooden craft ideas you can make for profit or to revamp your living spaces with? There are several wall-mounted woodworking projects ideas that sell well to make you big profits. Stay tuned until the end to see some of the best wall-mounted wood furniture and wooden decor pieces you can make and sell for profit. Wall-mounted wooden crafts have gained popularity as both functional and decorative elements in home decor. Their versatility, aesthetic appeal, and space-saving qualities make them an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their living environment. The benefits of incorporating wall-mounted wooden crafts into your home are numerous, ranging from practical solutions for organization to enhancing the overall aesthetic of a space. One of the primary advantages of wall-mounted wooden crafts is their ability to save space. In many homes, especially those with limited square footage, maximizing vertical space is essential. Wall-mounted pieces can free up valuable floor space, allowing for a more open and airy environment. By utilizing walls for storage or decoration, homeowners can declutter their living areas, creating a more organized and inviting atmosphere. This is particularly beneficial in small apartments or rooms where every inch counts. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wall-mounted wooden craft ideas you can make for profit or to revamp your living spaces with. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wall-mounted wooden crafts offer a unique opportunity for personalization and creativity. The natural beauty of wood can be shaped and finished in countless ways, allowing for a wide range of designs that can reflect individual styles and preferences. From rustic to modern aesthetics, wooden crafts can be tailored to fit any decor theme. This versatility enables homeowners to express their personalities through their decor, creating spaces that feel uniquely their own. In addition to personal expression, wall-mounted wooden crafts can also serve practical purposes. For instance, wall-mounted shelves can provide a stylish way to display books, plants, or decorative items while keeping surfaces clear. This not only enhances the visual appeal of a room, but also promotes organization. By having designated spaces for items, homeowners can easily locate what they need, reducing frustration and enhancing functionality. Furthermore, wall-mounted hooks or racks can be utilized for storing items like keys, bags, or coats, making daily routines more efficient. The use of wall-mounted wooden crafts can also contribute to a more cohesive design throughout a home. By selecting pieces that complement one another, homeowners can create a harmonious flow between different areas. For example, a series of wooden wall shelves in a living room can be echoed by similar designs in a hallway or kitchen. This continuity can enhance the overall aesthetic, making the home feel more curated and thoughtfully designed. When different elements work together, they create a sense of balance and unity, which is pleasing to the eye. Another benefit of wall-mounted wooden crafts is their ability to enhance the overall warmth and character of a space. Wood has a natural appeal that can add depth and texture to interior design. Unlike cold materials such as metal or glass, wood brings a sense of warmth and comfort, making a space feel more inviting. This is especially important in areas where people gather, such as living rooms or dining areas. The presence of wood can evoke feelings of coziness and familiarity, encouraging relaxation and social interaction. Aesthetically, wooden crafts can serve as stunning focal points in any room. A beautifully crafted wall-mounted piece can draw attention and become a conversation starter. This could be a striking wooden art piece, an intricately designed shelf, or a unique wall planter. The beauty of wood, combined with thoughtful design, can elevate the overall decor of a space. By incorporating such pieces, homeowners can create an environment that is not only functional, but also visually captivating. In terms of sustainability, wooden crafts can be an eco-friendly choice for home decor. When sourced from responsibly managed forests, Wood is a renewable resource that can have a minimal environmental impact. Many artisans prioritize sustainable practices, using reclaimed or salvaged wood to create their crafts. This not only reduces waste, but also adds a layer of history and character to each piece. By choosing wall-mounted wooden crafts, homeowners can support eco-conscious practices while enhancing the beauty of their spaces. The durability of wood is another significant advantage. High-quality wooden crafts can withstand the test of time, providing lasting beauty and functionality. Unlike some synthetic materials that may degrade or lose their appeal, well-crafted wooden pieces can age gracefully. With proper care, they can retain their charm for years, making them a worthwhile investment. This longevity is particularly appealing to those who value quality and craftsmanship in their home decor. Additionally, wall-mounted wooden crafts can be easily customized or adapted to suit specific needs. For example, a homeowner might choose to modify a wall-mounted shelf to fit a particular space or to accommodate specific items. This flexibility allows for a tailored approach to home decor, ensuring that each piece serves its purpose while enhancing the overall design. Customization can also extend to finishes and colors, enabling homeowners to match their crafts with existing decor seamlessly. The installation of wall-mounted wooden crafts is typically straightforward, making them accessible to a wide range of individuals. Unlike larger furniture pieces that may require professional assistance, many wall-mounted items can be installed with basic tools and minimal DIY skills. This ease of installation allows homeowners to take an active role in their decor, empowering them to create spaces that reflect their tastes without the need for extensive renovations. Moreover, wall-mounted wooden crafts can serve as a source of inspiration and creativity. Engaging in DIY projects, such as creating personalized wall art or shelving, can be a fulfilling and enjoyable experience. Crafting these pieces can provide a sense of accomplishment and pride, especially when the final product enhances the home environment. This creative process can also foster a deeper connection between the homeowner and their living space, making it feel more personal and meaningful. In terms of functionality, wall-mounted crafts can be designed to meet various needs. For example, a wall-mounted desk can create a compact workspace in a small area, perfect for those who work from home or need a designated area for hobbies. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wall-mounted wooden craft ideas you can make for profit or to revamp your living spaces with. Which ones did you like? What do you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.